This is cycle. Don't change anything, okay? Yeah, yeah, easy. Now we have a question right here. Let's get started. So if you face down, please make sure you leave a comments because very very important. Because so that I can know there are people who need my help. Okay. Now they say the area of a cycle is calculated by pi r square. Oh, what that mean? Oh, let me show you something here better than important. Let's move this calculator so it's not gonna distract us. Okay, calculator, please move aside. Oh, let's just put you here. Let's put you aside. Okay, so now let's say the area of a cycle is calculated, right? Okay, so let's say the area of a cycle. Oh, that's true. It's calculated by pi r square. For example, if somebody gives something this, look. Oh my God, what am I doing? If somebody gives stuff like this, let's say, oh, this is a cycle, and they have a radius equal, let's say, to t. They say find the area. I'm going to say area equal to pi r. What is the radius? Our radius equal to t. So instead of saying, because the formula say area equal to pi r square. R means radius. What is the radius meaning, Hamish? Oh, Mutwana. That's my name. I like that name, Mutwana or Bantu. Okay. So if you have a cycle like this, right? From anywhere from the circumference is this stuff. So from any point to another point of circumference, only if it touch at the center, that's what we call diameter. Look, this is a diameter. From anywhere, but I must, even this diameter, but I must cut here. Not, this is not diameter because it is cut at the center. Okay. So if you take, you see all the, here, let me use the other pen. This is a diameter, all of it, but radius. If you take, okay, this is a diameter from the end to the end. So if you split by 2, this is radius and this radius. So diameter, if you take diameter, divide by 2, you get radius and radius. You understand what I'm saying? Oh, okay. It's like this. Means all this diameter, but from the center to anywhere, this is radius and radius. So I think you understand what radius meaning. So if somebody say find the area of that, let's say this is t, the radius equal to t, means I'm going to say my area equal to pi. What is my radius equal to t? So instead of say r radius, I'm saying t and then square. Or they could say, oh, this equal to 7. Means let's say something like this. I say from here to here equal to 7. Means I was gonna say not t now. It's just what 7. And then I can simply plug in the calculator. Say pi. What is pi? Come into the calculator. Let me show you how you can plug it. So you say put the calculator back. I want to explain so before we go to the question. So when you go to the question, it's gonna be easy. Okay? Okay, baby. Okay. So I'm gonna say here. Okay. Now let's come in, man. See how I'm flossing here, how I'm showing off how we do this easy stuff. So we gonna say pi. So we say shifting, and then you say pi, and then you say bracket, and then this is 7, you say 7, and then you bracket, they say square, and they say equal to. So it's going to give a pi for the 9. Okay, just for sometime a calculator has been acting up. Okay, answer please. Those are, oh, okay. So that's the answer. Or you can say SD. When you plug SD, means it's going to give in terms of decimal. And you know the value of pi. SD. Okay, let's see. SD. Oh, okay. Well, so if you say SD, it's going to give in terms of decimal. Okay, let's move it aside again. So what does that mean? Look, the value of pi meaning pi meaning only pi alone is 3. For some time they say 22/7. Now let's go to the actual question here. They say square metal the square metal sheet has a side of all, means everywhere this is metal sheet, this one, but every is a square means everywhere is the same, like here is 2p, here's 2p, here's 2p. So what does that mean? Remember the length of here 2p is same as the length from here to there, like all the way. So it means here is going to be p and here is going to be p as a radius. Now what do they say? The area between the square and the cycle. The area between the square and the cycle. The area between the square and the cycle, this area here. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. So how are we gonna get there? So for me to get there, I'm gonna say, okay, let me find the area of everything, because I want to look for that one, right? And then find the area of a cycle and then move it aside. It's like, look, if I got everything like this, what happened? I must find, and then I'm looking, let's say, for this area here. Find the area of everything, and then find the area of a cycle, and remove this cycle, and then I'm gonna get the area of this. So that's what I'm gonna do right here. Oh, my apologies. I'm sorry, guys. Okay. Okay, guys, man. Let's go. So we gonna say right now, let's find the area of everything. So the area of everything is a square. So I'm gonna say area of a square. Now they say find the area of a shaded area of a square, and a cycle is the area between. So we say find the area of everything minus the area of a cycle. So we're gonna say area between equal to area of everything, which is side times side. You know, if you want to get the area of a square, you take side times side. Let's say it's 4, and they say this is square. Square is like everywhere the same. So area of a square equal to side times side. What is the side? 4 for here, because it's equal everywhere, times 4 equal to 16. That's how you get the area of a square. So for now, if you want to get the area of a square, okay, I'm gonna say side times side. But what is the side? Our side is 2p. Oh, we write the formula first. Okay, let's write the formula first. Okay, so the area we need equal to everything. It's gonna be side times side minus the area of a cycle, which is pi r square. You understand what I'm saying? Because everything minus the one which is inside, which is cycle. So area equal to, what is the side? Our side is 2p. So we're gonna say 2p times 2p. So it's like 2p times 2p, or you can say 2p squared. Because if you say x times x, meaning it's x squared. Okay, so 2p times 2p is 2p squared minus pi r squared pi. What is the radius? Radius can be equal to p, because the radius of the cycle equal to p. You understand? So this is for cycle now. So pi, what is the radius? A radius equal to p, and then we have a square. So what we're gonna say here, this equal, look, these squares for both. So same as say 2 times p equal to 2 square equal to 4. So I can say 4 p square equal to p square minus, this is just a pi, the square is only for the p, so equal to p square. So that's the answer, but we can do something about it. P square is common, so I can take p out here from the factorization. This is p square, I can take it out, so I can come and finish here, say p square is common for both sides, so I can take the p square out. If I take p square here, I'm going to be left with 4 minus. If you take p square, I'll be left with a pi. And this is going to be our area needed. So we come here, we say our answer equal to a equal to p square 4 minus pi. Or it could be this also. So we go to the option, you see which one is that. Okay, let me just write here so we can see which option is that. If you can look careful, it must be either number 2 or 4. Number 2 or 4. So option 4. Option 4. Haha. P square minus 4 pi. Okay, option 4. Option 4. Now let's go to the next question. Oh no, you know what? Do not forget to leave a comments below. It's very, very important, so we know, oh, you know, this beautiful family, they're watching, and hey, probably want to make more video of this. You see, and follow me on all social media, because sometimes we can do the chatting and talk, get to know each other. You know, get to know each other. Thanks a lot of your time. For that being said, easy, guys. This was very easy question, okay? Thanks a lot of your time. Peace, and I'm out. Peace.